Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to auto reply in Outlook. Now, the first thing that you should do is you have to open your Outlook application on your device. And once you're here, just have to click on this new email option right here. And then just have to type out for the subject. For example, you would like to rename this as application form and then just type out right here your reply. So please submit the application form and then just save it. Just click on save as and then go to your folder and select the Outlook template. Just have to select this and then click on save. So let me just put this folder and click on save. Then once you're done, just have to click on the X icon at the top right hand corner of the screen. Then what you're going to do next is you have to click on this file option at the top left hand corner of the screen and go to the rules and alerts. And right here, you just have to click on the new rule. Okay, so just click on it. And then you just have to click on this apply rule on message I receive and click on next. All right, here you just have to choose which conditions do you want to check, and then just have to scroll down. And if you're gonna find it right here, just have to simply click on next and then click on yes. Okay, and then right here, just have to choose what you want to do with the message. So just click on this reply using a specific template. And for the step two is to apply this rule after the message arrives. You just have to click on it. And then you have to locate the template that we have created. So just click on user template in file system and then browse your files or folders. So just locate the template and select it. And once you're done, is you just have to click on open and then just have to click on next once again. Right here, are there any exemptions? So you just have to select the exemptions. And if you don't have any exemptions, just click on next. And right here, you just have to specify a name for this rule and then click on finish. Okay, and then right here, you would like to click on apply and just click on this box right here because we're just going to use the application form. Okay, then after that, you just have to click on OK. So now when someone message you in Outlook, then this message or default message will be sent to them directly. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.